Welcome back to Asri Hot on top of the senior brother for the television stations when they start to the world, Wazobia TV on top channel 98 for Go TV. I beg, make una tell una loved ones anywhere when they inside of Nigeria. Say that they watch the Ogbonge program so that they will get the opportunity to talk their mind as it take the affect us inside of Nigeria. Make those when they lead this country take the necessary action to move our country forward. On top of the one who carry come today, we dey discuss about insecurity for inside our country. And we dey talk about the most vulnerable people, that is, our brothers and sisters, them when they inside the internally displaced persons camps. We dey look their condition, and it can't be like, say, with the kind of condition when they people when we suppose they take care of, based on say they run, leave their house, they don't get anywhere to stay, they can't stay somewhere. It be like saying an additional suffer, they can't they suffer. And these Boko Haram Jaguda people go take advantage of the fact, say, these people then they suffer even extra, can't they do what they do, based on the activities we don't see, say, young girls and women, it don't dey very, very easy for them to they law them to they do these kind of bad things. We they collect calls and we go enter inside our papa, collect this call from Oga Pius. Oga Pius, welcome to Asri Hot.
My brother, Ukubi, I greet you.
Good morning, Pius.
How fun? How you doing?
We dey fine, we dey fine.
Thank God for this program. A very nice program.
Thank you very much.
The thing what this our government they do, you know, good though. Because I go tell me say this IDP camp. We know say if you go like now, for example, now let me use the governor of Lagos State for instances. The day is I go Alawusa, just only Alawusa there for inside the secretariat for just for me to go inside. Now a very big problem for me.
Just to enter.
Just to enter the gate, now a big problem. If you see the security, CCTV cameras everywhere. Why can't they man cameras in these places and equip these our military officers, intelligence officers, bring the SSS, the police to man security there in that place? They just they toy with the life of this innocent citizen for nothing sake. It is bad. Sometimes when I see like this, I feel like weeping. But when we pray to God that one day everything will get better. Thank you, Mr. Ikubi, and thank you.
Thank you very, very much. As we take end and we pray, I go good make we emphasize. Say, God, don't give us all the sense when we need to use ensure. Say, many of these are our problems when we face, we fit solve them. No be just until, say, Angel Gabriel come down from heaven to come help us arrange them. Governor self na human being, just like every Nigerian. If we go give governor security, every Nigerian, especially those when the internet displacement camp, they self need even extra security. And we go enter Adamawa State, collect this call from Oga Peter. Oga Peter, welcome to Asri Hot.
Good morning, Mr. Chikudi.
Good morning, Peter.
Yeah, please, you see, as I did so, now try the crisis. I don't know. I'm short of waste. You see, this is our government. Our government have to take responsibility of all what is happening. One, our leaders from the north and our people from the north is like they are not concerned of what is happening. Why can't us join hands together and see to this evil doing? Of course, this thing that is happening, they happen in the individual houses. And which is, they know them. They know the beginning what happened. Is it a religion issue or whatever? So we have to come together and say no to this issue. Killing is too much. Why? Are we not growing as a country? We have to say no to what is happening.
Oga Peter.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we understand as they feel about this thing. Considering the fact that you say you did one of the areas where this thing they also affect, and we really see that this thing in your tone. And thank you for calling, Chikudi. Peter also has just raised another issue. Okay, we get Patience. Patience, they call us from Benue. Good morning, Patience.
Good morning, Uncle Jim.
Good morning, Madam Patience.
Chukwudi, good morning.
I greet you, Madam Patience.
You see, this thing will happen. It happened on Tuesday. But on Wednesday, they come here say something of this nature happen. But then people, to say they get security there, they for save more lives. Now, I just said I had this news. But then no Nigerian radio or television
See, we
have
don't carry
don't talk am. So the thing why they talk be say, for Senegal, 90% of Senegal people na Muslim. Why 10% na Christian? Of course, Christian is ruling them now. They ban this hijab. Why do they call this way they take cover their body? Whether na hijab, upon a hijab.
Hijab.
They ban them there. But Buhari talk this in outside. Say, no, outside they talk things. Talk am outside, say, make them ban them in Nigeria. All the Muslims women in Nigeria say, why they go ban? Why they go ban? If they ban this thing, the woman go wear cloth, cover all them body. I think this security men will know how to handle this thing. And our security men at times they go they talk another thing. The other day, the one that happened last, they said that they pursue the military men where they in charge, where they leave that place, and they said they go attack the IDPs. What stopped them from sending military men to go and man those places? They allow they hear the news. When this thing happened, they can't blame. Now then they blame. For them, then they go with all the houses being guarded by security men. But these vulnerable people, where they run from Wahala, where they don't kill them. They can't enter another place. They can't kill them now. Now, what they could tell, what they could tell Nigerians. So make this security men they talk. And this issue of hijab something, where the women go wear cloth over their mouth, they look into it very well.
Madam Patience, thank you very much for this your important contribution.
This is happening everywhere. Even Egypt have banned it. Many Muslim countries have banned those things. Why stop Nigeria from doing it?
Very true. Madam Patience, thank you very much for this your important contribution. And we know say for a while now, Nigerians don't become issue of debate. Because whether you like them or not, if you see the way when we say these people them go wear the IEDs for body, not be something when we say you feel wear with singlet. And something when we say you go need to conceal, that is you go hide down under what you wear so that people no go take notice or they no go see them. So this one self now another issue when we say we suppose look. E get countries where we say they suffer this similar experience where we say they don't come and talk say okay if you really believe say we want make our country they safe, make una just comply with this directive, make it not be like say na just say religion. We no go put religion ahead of safety because we also know say the God when we dey serve want make we dey safe from bad people, and if bad person go take advantage of the fact say he wan use religion take harm us, we go try our best to see say using through that same religion we no go put ourselves for line when we say we go dey very vulnerable. E go good make we point out all these things when they don raise the issue of the hijab, the issue of the fact say some people when they these IDP camps, it just be like say na security of decoration na in dem be because they just dey there, they no get extra things wey dem go use to ensure say people dey very safe. Now na to move from say we just carry gun dey fight people, move to intelligence and see say we put certain things in place wey go make am dey very difficult for these bad people to do the badness when they wan do.
Exactly, Chukwudi, sincerely, if just as Madam Patience talk, if a couple of countries where we say then be majorly Muslims don't feel comply with this thing, at least make we also do it in look at, because it go see a lot of badness they don't carry them out through these through hiding under the disguise of this stuff. So if we go say, okay, make we look into this thing, so that make we also know as we fit take contain. It is still part of trying to contain the whole thing. At least nobody does say one come on eradicate them completely. At least at this point in time where we say the problem they very serious. If they go address them, make them address them.
True.
This make we also talk within Oga this thing. Oga Peter talk about government. That is what I mean. Government. As long as you be government, you dey involved. Let us collectively ensure say this problem will solve them, because it will not cost leaders to say, okay, make we bring one voice, make sure say we bring an end to this, or probably make we ensure say the life of these people they properly safe.
Very
we
true.
get Matthew, they call us from Calabar. Oga Matthew, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Matthew.
I beg, what did they happen to say some of us will not just understand. We just the invest anyhow. Now, what do you mean I want to talk with you? Like now, like those Boko Haram people, they no feel today. I want to talk calmly. I don't want too much vex.
We appreciate them too.
So something where they be say they no feel call those Boko Haram people, ask them say, what do they want?
Okay, you dey talk say make them negotiate with them.
And they no feel call them say,
what they want from the beginning. Now, you look at it now, some of my people don't complain and they don't contribute good. You see, this life, now the people where they, all those people where they kill, they're innocent people. Now, if they won't kill, why they not go, make them go find those big men children. Now, they don't want to take care of what did happen now. Make them go find those big men children, make them kill them. Then we will see what will happen. Or maybe go to House of Assembly and House of Legislature and burn everywhere.
Oga Matthew, we know say you na your own opinion, but all these kind of ideas when you go be like say we dey give them, not be waiting we go support. We dey deal with the problem when we dey face today, and we dey try talk say even this one when we say we dey face na something when we say we wan comot for this our country. So not be until one big man the thing happen to am. As 150 million strong Nigerian voices, we will continue to dey talk am say we no go wait until it happen to them before we come talk say it don happen to una too. So before we come talk say we wan dey find solution to the problem. So as a people right about now with the condition we will continue to dey talk. We appreciate your contribution, but it go good make we emphasize say no matter how problem takes small, nothing like say na small problem or this one a big problem or until e reach this particular problem, it never be something when we say we go do the right thing. We must do the right thing now so that we no go come enter the stage when we say we go come even worse past the way when the thing dey now. And
if you also listen to it in Oga Matthew talk, he started with say, oh, why they no fit negotiate? Okay, you no go fit negotiate with person wey dey faceless. You understand? Now be the thing. We don't. I want place our leaders don't make some moves to say, okay, make we even know who these people be. The president instead don't say, okay, he say, okay, you won't negotiate, you won't negotiate. Who be these people? At least if they come and talk, say, see the authenticity of the sect, see their leaders, and make we sit down, can say, okay, what be our problem? What be that one I want? But if you know, when a particular person no get. No, they show in face. Where we want really start from, say we want start to do it, say negotiate. That is why on our own part, what think our government need to do is to further boost on the security. We don't talk say security on this particular matter. Don't go beyond them. Say let us face ourselves. Make we fight a Mayweather Manny Pacquiao kind of fight. This one don't go be say that is hit and run kind of this thing. Now they won't do anything. Now the approach. Now be the approach these people they use. Okay, we said something about say employing the service of 30,000 police men abi, and then where to at least with the employment of these people, we go feel say okay, will they add up to our security level? Will they tighten up our security? But if these moves are not being made, if no longer they see the signs. Where do we pick it up from? How we take properly address this thing? That is why our leaders need to just sit upright, make them know what they will do about this thing for once.
Very true. And sitting upright, not be just to the issue statements anyhow. Now for us to begin to see their leg, they see okay, oh, this work they happen or this action they happen. If in less than 1 month we don't see several attacks or internally displaced persons camps, now we say wahala dey. We remember say for the last incident when happened for Dalori, our soldier people them fight the Boko Haram Jaguda people when one enter inside the internally displaced persons camp, they pursue them. This one show say it be like say they don't come decide say it be like say now this market and they want they carry so we must carry the hand when go make it very very difficult for them and also do the one when we say we go come know say now this thing that they think so that they no go even fit try them at all. Oga Emmanuel, they call us all the way from Benue State. Oga Emmanuel, good morning and welcome to Ask It the Heart.
Yes.
Good morning, Emmanuel.
Good morning.
Good morning, they hear you, Emmanuel.
Okay, you see, the issue of this thing, it paid us very well. The thing be say, the internet displaced people, some of them that because of poverty inside this IDP camp, some of them that because of poverty inside this IDP camp, it will make them come out, enter town, go get linkage with Boko Haram, collect money, come back to the IDP camps, come cause all this.
Emmanuel, continue.
Government try shift responsibility to make people life better. And one thing again, our borders are porous. Imagine I watched BBC documentary yesterday, Boko Haram fighter gets anti-aircraft gun, they shoot. It surprised me. So make them take care of our borders.
Thank you very much, Oga Emmanuel. This one where you don't also raise self, a very important one. Because if our borders just be like basket where we say
If
anyhow
he
person
enter,
fit
if he
enter. Now we say
comot.
wahala don plenty where be that. From Benue we go enter inside Warri. Collect this call from Oga Tony. Oga Tony, good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Good morning, Tony. Oga Tony, good morning. You there?
You be like say network no
That's
be Oga
it.
Tony to making contribution. Abeg, if you wan call us to join mouth for inside this our discussion, try reduce the volume of your television so that we go fit hear you and the full Nigeria go fit hear your contribution. And we could be go good. E get one thing when Oga Matthew talk, wey be say dey very very important. Even though the way we need take they can't drop am, we can't get need to fit explain am.
exactly.
Make e no be like say this talk when he talk, we just allow am go like that. You go check am say e be like say if certain things never happen to certain people,
We
you know
no go
they
fit
enter
take
news or we know they
certain
take am
things very
serious.
serious,
Like
yes.
wetin Madam Patience talk say the incident don't happen, although they don't report am say na because of say na for remote area the thing happen.
It happen,
I
yeah.
make the thing no quickly enter inside news. We suppose get communication where we say Nigerians go begin the day very very informed. Make it no be like say when something can happen, it go come appear like say people no show concern or they no care about the incident when happen. We get one of our Ogbonge callers when they call us all the way from Lagos. Good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Good morning, Tim Topper.
Jennifer, you there?
Jennifer, good morning.
Yes.
We dey hear you, we dey hear
Yeah,
you.
you right on.
Reduce the volume of your television, Jennifer.
I beg, Jennifer.
The network no gree, make Jennifer. Oga Tony, they call us back from Warri. Oga Tony, good morning.
Oga Tony, good morning.
Hello?
Good
We dey
morning,
hear you,
Oga
we dey hear
Tony.
you, continue.
I beg, Oga Tony, bring down the volume of your television, I beg.
I don't bring that down.
I hear we dey hear you,
Continue.
continue.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning, oh, you dey hear me?
We dey hear you.
Okay. My contribution be say,
Oga Tony, you
I
see
don't
dey
bring
near
that
your
down.
television. Oga Tony, you see dey near your television, I beg. Like we talk, anybody when they try call us, make it reduce in television. Or if you want make other people hear you for compound, come up for where dem dey so that the interference no go enter. We go rush enter inside this small break. When we go this break, come back, we go enter the final lap on top of As E Dey Hot today. And we bring our voice down because this talk we only discuss.
No be
That's something wey we say,
something,
e dey pain us well. No go anywhere. Now still Wazobia TV on top channel 98 for Go TV. As E Dey Hot. They come back. Welcome back to As E Dey Hot. From where we dey now, the final bus stop, and we dey see from this place on top of As E Dey Hot. And we dey discuss insecurity for inside the IDP camps, internally displaced persons camps. Make we explain again. Internally displaced persons na people wey we say, based on certain things when they happen for their area, they don't run comot for there because they no fit live there. They can't go place where we say government provide for them, say make them dey stay. We dey look the condition of people inside these areas and why the thing not dey very very easy for people to fit just convince young girls and women say make them wear bomb for their body, go inside this place, go dey kill people. We dey take calls from different parts of Nigeria and people don dey give their contribution and suggestions on how we fit make am very very difficult for these bad people to continue with their badness and how we go make am very easy for ourselves so that we no go dey wake up every day dey see bad news for inside television.
Chike, one of the reasons why this particular issue, they even vex me. Now, I'd say, if you say these people where they displaced be maybe foreigners, if they talk, say, because I say they're foreigners, that's why we know, you understand. But these are Nigerians, where we say, living in their own country. You understand? We say, not just casualties or issues, this thing, crisis, now it make them come out from where they're dead to come there. And even at that, the place where they're are still within that state where they come from.
Very true.
You understand? So it is no longer this. They make we not see them as aliens. Say, these people are aliens. They are still part of the society. They are still part of a country. And the fact say we get responsibility as leaders. The fact say we get governor, people where they rule that particular state. The fact say they get even local government where they rule where they in charge of these particular areas. It is just their responsibility. Okay. Even if they say they want to extend their responsibility to Nigerians, say, okay, what can we do? At least Nigerians will be able to contribute. But I won't believe, say, Nigerians, even at this point, they play their own part. But then, it is still their responsibility to ensure, say, these people, they safe. Because why? Because they are Nigerians. They are not aliens. We get Oga Matthew. Oga Matthew, they call us back all the way from Calabar. Good morning, Oga Matthew, and welcome back.
I beg, is sometimes when somebody they try to talk something, make we try to understand that person properly.
Okay.
You see, I am this kind of a person. When I see people suffering, suffer, just hugging, I cry in me. I say that I don't want to be vexed to that. They try to hold myself. All this while they watch for CNN, everything, all what they happen, whether they kill innocent people, whether they're Muslim, whether they're pagan, or whether they're prostitution, or all level, whether they kill, they are all human beings. And if really, everybody get the kind of mind when I get, I believe, say, in fact, things for them go worse for those people. I'm telling you, but nevertheless, that is not what I am here to say. What I am here to say is this. Now, the government should try by all means, because God is going to hold these people responsible. God is God and man is man. They think that God is not watching. The money is there for them to know what to do, and they are not doing it. God is going to hold them responsible. This is just my door. Oga Matthew, my joy that they will stand before God and give account for what is happening. There's no doubt about this.
Oga Matthew,
their children are there, and some people's children are dying unnecessarily, and they are there, and the money is there. They have manipulated billions upon billions. They should use those money and take care of this thing once and for all. Because those people are crying. Their children are not more. Their fathers are not more. Those people told God Almighty. God will hold them irresponsible.
Oga Matthew, thank you very much for this, your contribution. The passion, they very, very high. And we appreciate them. And just like what we don't talk, God don't give us the sense to do all the things when we do to ensure say our country they very, very safe. Thank you very, very much. We appreciate your passion. Oga Bobby, all the way from Amsterdam. Oga Bobby, he don't say, welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Now, good morning. Now,
good morning, Oga Bobby.
Week. I take it now.
You don't take now. You never call us this week, oh.
Not back also. Now 1 week. You never reach 1 week. Oh.
But the 1 week just be like 1 year. You know, say we like more to hear your voice. But you have the floor.
Okay. What I was say for them is they're very poor for the rest of us where they see what they happen. They're very sad. You know, so see, people they go through that kind of situation. Other people put other people for that kind of situation. You know, but my concern of the day is that I think what the state governments they're supposed to do, not be just rely on federal government alone, but I think this one comes to the state as a whole. As a nation, we need to rally together and find solutions to this problem. To steer these people around the state, that is those who might go volunteer to take them to personal houses and all that, you know, so at least it's not going to be like, say, they gather for one place.
Very true.
You understand me now? So if they gather for one place, they look somehow for eye, you know, but if not something where we say they'll find solution to spread them around the entire nation, to local government and to state and all that, you know, so they go this somewhere where it be like they go feel at home. That be the solution when I see say they inside, when they need to look to rally around and find solution to that problem, you know. So able to circulate around, you know, those will be family, they put their family somewhere together, then the children feel they go school. You know, but that one said we will give the children more idea of about the other states and all that. You know, so that's my solution for the day, you know.
Oga Bobby, thank you very much for this, your important contribution. And if we check now, they reside for place where we say, even though we know they deal directly with this kind of situation, security is still the paramount, now still number one for that part of the world. So we believe, say, Nigeria need to adopt certain models. And these models will help us if we check the way when our condition they to fit solve the problems when we say we they face. If we identify the major problems, say, okay, now girls, young girls, now women, now they use. Why is it very, very easy for these bad people to they use women, to they use young girls? If we begin to address all these particular issues, this one don't go beyond, say, we wan see them face to face make we shoot all of them finish because our soldier people dey really try for the northeastern part of the country. The governor of Yobe State come out yesterday openly declare say they don pursue Boko Haram Jaguda people comot for the entire Yobe, say if he beat in chest talk this one. Now no be just about say pursuing the ones wey go come fight you one on one. These young girls wey go come wear this thing enter inside this internet disappearance camp, they no go carry gun say they wan fight soldier face to face. But if these people dey continue with this radicalization, say they tell them say una fit do this thing, make una go do this thing, na that one go even be the greater and the major problem. Because imagine camp when they house over 50,000 people where they go chop breakfast, girls infiltrate, enter, come go where they serve their food, when come up for inside the camp. Now we say the wahala don't reach one particular level, and then they always they talk and say God go help us. We dey pray make God do am, but it go good make we also emphasize say God don't give us the sense when we need. If we begin to look say everybody for this country they very very important. No be until you become governor they enter inside convoy or them build a high fence for you, come put barbed wire on top. Now you go dey safe. Every Nigerian when they this country they precious, and the life of every Nigerian suppose they very very important, and we go ensure say we protect everybody's life for inside Obodo Nigeria.
Exactly, protecting everybody's life that be the key word there. And if we feel say because of say they acquire one major position and them negligence can't be say it can't become something where they part of us say who cares about the rest, it no go work because it is the responsibility of our leaders to do what they're supposed to do. With the promises or they don't promise, but they do it, make them carry them out. These people no be goats, they no be foul. They are humans and they are Nigerians. So make them do something about them, address this matter for once. So at least we go fit beat our chest, talk say yes, the lives of Nigerians are safe and are well secured.
Very, very true. Our people wait there for us when they talk and say Nigeria and our country, no go spoil. When I go notice the way when we say we bring this our voice down to discuss this particular issue. We appreciate all our callers. Everybody when try to reach us today, when no connect, we appreciate those when we say they reach us, then talk about this thing, we appreciate. And we hope say very soon for this our Obodo Nigeria. When we talk about this when they affect us for this country, now the ones when we say about ahead. We self know they happy if somebody like Oga Matthew call all the way from Calabar and from him voice self you go see say the thing they weigh am down. If you think they pain all of us for inside this country, then we must do more to ensure say our country they safer and our country they better. Until we come back again tomorrow with action topic where we come up plenty smoke inside Obodo Nigeria. Una bye bye and thank you very much.
Una bye bye.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.